Hello folks, I got an old International Harvester 444 tractor right behind me here, diesel engine. It's a nice tractor, but I got a problem with the charging system. And I think what the problem is that the fan belt is actually loose. There's about 2 inches of depression in the fan belt that goes down to the crankshaft pulley. And so I don't think the fan's turning. And if the fan pulley isn't turning, then it's not turning the alternator pulley. So I'm going to show you today how you can adjust that fan belt on an old International tractor. And I think this is the same technique you can use on other tractors, like some older Farmalls. I know I've seen many posts about these old tractors that only have 2 pulleys, no tensioner. How do you adjust the fan belt? I'm going to show you. Okay, so right here, you can see this little nut and there's like a little set screw in there. If you loosen that nut and the set screw, it allows you, you might even have to remove it, it allows you to turn this collar. This collar is threaded onto the pulley shaft of the fan belt. And so as you remove that and as you either thread this collar in and out, it's going to either increase or decrease the width of this pulley bed. So as you tighten up that collar, what's going to happen is that pulley bed is going to come closer together, but at the same time, the bottom point of that V is going to become a longer distance, and that's going to tighten up or loosen the belt if you turn it the other way. Okay, so I don't know if you can see inside this hole, but I took the set screw and the nut off, and I can see the threads inside, and I can actually see, if I do that a little bit, I can see that that one piece is turning independently of the collar. So that's good news because I think it's fairly free, and I think I should be able to adjust that without too much difficulty. Just gonna see if I can, yeah, I can definitely loosen it, I know that. So it is free. Tightening it is gonna be a little more difficult. But I also noticed that on the bottom, there is a bit of a flange, and I think what you can do is tap that with a hammer and a piece of wood just to snug it up. All right, so you can see now, I'm just going to tap on this. You probably should be able to see that the collar is tightening up. You can see it just moving just a little wee bit. And I want to think I've reached my target tension. Okay, so here I got the set screw still in the nut, and of course it's kind of seized in there. So I put some penetrating fluid on it, and I think I'm going to give it a bit of heat and see if I can get it loose. There it goes. Awesome. So I'm going to work that with a little more penetrating fluid, and I'm ready to put it back in. Okay, with my set screw all freed up, lubricated, I'm going to put it back into the hole, tighten it up, and that should be it for adjusting the fan belt on an old tractor.